Hello everybody, welcome to the Mechanical Solutions channel. At this video I'm going to design this sketch with uh, angles and dimensions. For the first step I'm going to design with line. This is my first point. I use I enter 60 to this dimension. Second line is here, but I need to have a 67 degrees, so I press tab. Now I have the degrees here. I come down 67. I press tab again. And the length is 65. Enter. Now I draw a line, and this angle is 99 degrees, so here is I copy this and select this line. I rotate my base point 99 clockwise. Now I move this line to here, and this line's length is 45, so I select here and press tab and enter 45. This is my third line. The fourth line is vertically 30, enter. Here I have 139 degrees, so I simply copy this line and rotate, select this point and 139 degrees. I select this line and move it to here. Its length is 36.25. And from here I have 80 vertically. From here I have 80 horizontally. From here I have 15 vertically, and this is my last line. I go to animation, dimension style manager, modify. I come to text, do this 3. Okay, now here I have $80. Here I have 15. Here is angular. Here I have 80. Here I have 159. Use align dimensions for here. It is 99 degrees. Use this align dimension. I have 65. I have angular dimension for here. And this is the last 160 here. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe for Mechanical Solutions channel. Thank you.